This is it. This is the moment. Relax. Relax yourself into it. You sit there, and you feel yourself sitting there. You feel present. And you devote part of your consciousness to your breath. Not 100%. But you just breathe out. And the in-breath comes naturally. Experiencing it right now. This is it. This is the way it is. And we're all in this together. We're all breathing it. We're all breathing that prana, that life force, that oneness of the life force. And yet at the same time, we're different. I don't understand why. It's just the way it is. It's beyond conception. And maybe it's a help to better understand your being.